So this is my desk.
Desk jockey, huh? You just sit here, eat your pickles, wait for the criminals to turn themselves in.
A desk jockey is someone who spends most of their time seated at a desk. It's someone who works in an office all day, or an administrator or bureaucrat as opposed to someone who works in the field. The term desk jockey is often humorous but sometimes pejorative, referring to someone who is more concerned with procedural rules, paperwork, and red tape than practical things that affect people's lives.
And the first guy to do it's not going to be some fat old desk jockey.
Desk jockey? Hey, I am a finely tuned ex-high school athlete.
The idiom desk jockey is similar to pencil pusher or paper shuffler. All of these idioms emerged during the 20th century when office work, especially that related to corporate employment, became more prevalent. These types of idioms refer to the boring and tedious nature of working in an office. In military and police settings, several alternative versions are heard, such as desk pilot, desk rider, desk cowboy, and desk commando. In television and movies, the term desk jockey is largely used to refer to military, police, or others who work in dangerous fields and have been removed from field work and relegated to working in an office performing administrative tasks. Here are some sentences using the idiom desk jockey. I became a musician because I felt like my only other option was to become a desk jockey. My dad wanted me to work for his company and be a desk jockey the rest of my life. Instead, I started a YouTube channel about camping. I was charged $500 by the IRS because some desk jockey forgot to do his job. And here's the origin of the idiom desk jockey. According to the OED, the earliest known use of desk jockey is from a 1943 edition of the Washington Post. It is largely accepted that desk jockey is patterned after disc jockey. While the ultimate origin of the expression comes from a horse jockey, the similar-sounding idiom disc jockey may have helped popularize the idiom desk jockey. However, it is not clear that the idiom alludes to being a disc jockey. Since a jockey is someone who rides a horse, a desk jockey can be likened to someone who rides a desk. This humorous allusion may have been born in the United States military, especially in aviation branches, such as the Air Force or Navy. A military fighter pilot is sometimes called a fighter jockey, someone who rides a fighter jet. Military bureaucracy and administration, often the bane of military service, would be likened to a person who, instead of being a true soldier and working in the field or piloting an aircraft, might be likened to someone who pilots a desk. The existence of so many alternative forms of this idiom in the military lends credence to its military origin before being adopted into general use to refer to corporate life.